Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 18, linear equations with one variable, section C, achiever, toughest one. Let's start. We'll continue from video number 17. In video number 17 we were in true or false and A part we had completed. Now we are completing the remaining ones. A carpenter charged rupees 2500 for making a bed. The cost of the materials used was rupees 1100 and the labor charges are rupees 200 per hour. So the carpenter will work for 7 hours. Means this is the total cost. Here total charge equals to material plus labor. Now material is lump sum. This is called a lump sum. Means when you charge one stroke, you don't give any calculations. 1100 for materials, and this labor is per hour. Okay. So let the carpenter work for X hours. Let's assume. Let him work for X hours. Now per hour it is 200. So X hours it is how much? 200 into X, right? Suppose he has worked for 3 hours. Then total charges are 200 per hour. So 200 into 3. That is 600. Similarly 200 into X. That much hours and that much are the charges for X hours. So 2500 equals to 1100 plus 200 X. Solve this. Take 1100 on this side. It becomes 1400. 2500 minus 1100, 1400. So 200x equals to 1400. X equals to, take 200 on this side, cancel and it becomes 7. So answer is 7 hours. So the question given is true. The carpenter will work for 7 hours. Next, on dividing rupees 200 between A and B such that twice of A share is less than 3 times of B share by 200. So A share is 120. What is the question? 200 is the total, means both of them in total have 200. Now A share you do it twice, B share 3 times, and then subtract them. The difference is 200. So let A share be X. So B share would be what? Total is 200. So B would be 200 minus X. Right? If A share is 120, B share would be 200 minus 120. Right? Same logic. So what is given? Twice of A share, 2 into A, equals to 3 times B share by 200. So B share 3 times and then subtract 200 from them. Then to watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.